Hey, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the dispenser PCB on your LG refrigerator. If you notice symptoms like dispenser not responding, erratic behavior, or no ice being dispensed, it might be the time to check or replace the dispenser PCB. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. Let's get started and get your refrigerator back in top shape. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a magnet, a Flatblade screwdriver, a Putty knife, Torx 10 screwdriver, and a multimeter. For this video, we'll need to make 3 different tests, one for each part, for the auger motor, for the capacitor, and for the ice dispenser door motor. Unplug the fridge. We need to get to the auger motor. To get to the auger motor, open the left side French door. Next, pull down the lever and open the ice door. Slightly lift the ice bin and remove it. There are 3 screws that hold the rear panel in place. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws. Hold the bottom of the panel and pull it out. Unplug the connector at the top. Look at the back of the panel assembly. There are 3 wires connecting the motor to the smaller plug near the top, gray, black, and white. Trace the wire to the large connector plug. Next, we'll do the live voltage test. We are going to use a multimeter to do the live voltage test. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electrical shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live voltage. With the left French door and the ice door still open, locate the top connector and insert the probes into the second top, which is black, and the first bottom, which is gray, openings from the left. Set the multimeter to the volts AC, letter V with the wavy line, and plug the fridge in. Then place the magnet on the top of the left side door hinge cover and slowly move it to find the spot where the interior lights turns off. Press the ice dispenser button. If there is no approximately 120 volts on the meter, the dispenser PCB should be replaced. Then remove the probe from the bottom opening, gray, and insert it in the second one on the bottom, white. Press the bottom again and look for about 120 volts AC. If there is no proper voltage, the dispenser PCB is defective. Now let's test the dispenser PCB capacitor output. The capacitor is located inside the main PCB compartment at the back of the fridge. Start with unplugging the refrigerator. Then locate the cover plate at the back of the left side. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove 3 screws and pull out the cover. Locate the white rectangular shaped capacitor mounted on the left from the main PCB. Using the Flatblade screwdriver, remove both wires from capacitor terminals. Insert the meter probes into the capacitor wire connectors. Set your meter to volts AC, plug the fridge in, and press the ice dispenser button. If you don't have around 120 volts AC on the meter, replace the dispenser PCB. Now let's test the dispenser PCB ice dispenser door motor output. The ice dispenser door motor is mounted on the inside of the dispenser cavity on the left. To test the ice dispenser door motor, we need to pull out the entire dispenser assembly. Unplug the refrigerator before going any further. Then push on the corner of the drip pan grill and remove it. With the Flatblade screwdriver, pry out the drip tray and slide it out. Next, I recommend removing the left side door handle. You will have much better access to the right side of the dispenser. Use a Torx 10 screwdriver to loosen up 2 screws and remove the handle. Using the Putty knife, free the display clips around the perimeter. Don't kill yourself if you'll break 1 or 2 clips along the way. Trust me, it's still going to work. Carefully put the dispenser assembly down. Don't damage the wiring harness. Locate the door motor in the left upper corner. Disconnect the plug with 2 wires. Set the multimeter to volts DC, letter V with 2 lines on the top, and plug the fridge in. With both doors closed, Turn the plug over and touch the outer metal contact strips with your meter probes. Holding probes at the contacts, push the ice dispenser button. The reading of 0 volts DC on the meter will indicate a bad dispenser PCB. The dispenser PCB is mounted at the back of the dispenser assembly inside the white housing. Unplug the refrigerator before going any further. With the dispenser assembly out, locate the dispenser PCB. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take the screw out and slide out the control. Remove the tape and slide the top housing cover. Unplug the connectors using the Flatblade screwdriver and take out the small Phillips screw. Remove the dispenser PCB. Here's the old dispenser control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from appliancepartspros.com. Place the new dispenser PCB in the bottom housing, align the holes, and secure it with a Phillips screw. Plug all the connectors. Slide the top housing on and place the tape to secure it. Install the dispenser PCB and secure it with a Phillips screw. Make sure the wires are not on the way and install the dispenser assembly. Press the edges in to lock the clips. Slide the drip tray in and place the grill on. Install the door handle and use the Torx 10 screwdriver to tighten the screws. Don't forget to plug the fridge in. Congratulations! Awesome job tackling that dispenser PCB on your LG refrigerator. We would love to hear how your repair went, so please share your experience in the comments below. If you need a replacement dispenser PCB, just have your model number ready and visit appliancepartspros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days, so you will have your fridge back in perfect working order in no time. Thanks for letting us be a part of your repair journey, and we look forward to helping out with your next project.